This is your macroeconomics video on the MPC and MPS. In the last video, we talked about the multiplier effect, which basically means we're going to inject new money into the economy and it will multiply as multiple people start to spend that money. The question is, how effective is it going to be? And that is dependent upon how much of the money that we received we're going to consume versus save. So when we say consume, we mean consumer spending. So marginal propensity to consume is the percentage of new money that you are likely to spend. Marginal means change in or difference. It is denoted in math as with a delta symbol. So this is if you got new money, let's say you got $100 for Christmas. How much of that, which percentage of the $100 are you likely to spend on consumer items versus save? Now, the marginal propensity to consume is the percentage of extra or new income that a household receives. And this is always in a decimal form. So if you received an extra $100, how much of that are you going to spend? So if our MPC is 0.8 or we spend 80%, that means that if our income rises by $100, then we are going to consume or spend $80 of that. That also means that we're saving $20 of that money. So your marginal propensity to consume is basically a ratio of your change in consumer spending divided by your change in disposable income. So I got $100, that would be my denominator. I decided to spend 80 of it. That gives me an MPC of 0.8. Now, whatever you don't consume, you save. Money has to be either spent or saved. So your marginal propensity to save, or MPS, is the percentage of your new income that you chose to spend, or that you chose not to spend, and actually chose to save it. It is also in a decimal form. So if your MPC is 0.8, then your MPS is 0.2. Or the $100 that you received for Christmas, you spent 80, you saved 20. Your MPS is always 1 minus MPC.